Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is the Gamer.
None of the guys.
Say something, bro.
None of the guys.
And this is the Blackbird Gaming, and we're gonna play Minecraft video. Oh, don't kill me. Okay na. Oh, he's dead. But he's respawn. Okay, let's go and let's take an adventure.
Let's go to an adventure.
Okay, let's go.
Get out of my way.
Oh, you died, man. You died. Uy. You died. Okay. Hey, stop. Oh. Okay. I'm not gonna die. Hey guys, come on here. Come on.
Okay, you're gonna tell me my reason.
Oh, this is a cool gun, and you see in the part 1, guys, this is just an upgrade.
Actually, I'm just gonna say we are good with our weapons, and a new player joined us.
Oh yeah, its name in real life, Kevin.
Out camera.
Oh, run,
Out camera.
I'm gonna kill that player. Oh,
Oh,
he's
it is
dead.
found. Okay.
Sino ba yun? Jimmy Narp? Hey guys, come on, I'm not joking.
I got 3 cobblestones. I got cobblestones.
Oh, I don't need that.
Cobblestones.
So what?
Whatever, I'm gonna throw it.
I want a stick. Oh, that's another stick.
Hey, you want to grab a sword? There's just 2 cobblestone right there.
I got a sword right here.
Oh guys, did you hear that? So loud, so scary.
So scary. Let's step up the street.
Okay. Oh, come on, I'm just gonna spend my time.
And I'm just gonna break my sword. Basketball team.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's try basketball.
They're realistic, but not us. Just a show.
Gustaros. Yeah, let's try that basketball.
Let's try there.
Thank you for this call.
Hey!
Give me a gun.
Guys, did you want to blow up? Please subscribe in our channel and don't forget to leave a comment and
I hate you.
and don't forget.
Okay, I'm gonna say something. Don't forget to like and subscribe our video and share it on Facebook.
And see you on my next video in part 2.
Ah!